1, 2, 3. What are you gonna do when you get lonely? And no one's waiting by your side. You've been running and hiding much too long. You know it's just your foolish pride, Layla. You got me on my knees, Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Yeah. Okay everybody, I'm Vasco and today I will show you how I'm playing Layla by Eric Clapton on a low G string ukulele. And we'll do this part that is for one ukulele. I have some ideas for a second one that could be played on top of this one. So if you want me to release a tutorial for the second uke ideas, let me know in the comments below. And if this video gets more than 500 likes, I'll do it. But anyway, today we're focusing on the rhythm uke. We'll use a low G string, so grab your low G and let's go. Alright, so the main part goes between D minor, B flat, C, and back to D minor. All right. Layla, you got me on my knees, Layla. But I want to show you the little pick that I'm doing. All right. It starts before the first time. So if you count it, it's 1 and 2 and 3, and on the offbeat after 3, we play the G string second fret with the thumb, then C string open with the pointing finger, C string second fret, and then we strum on the first time the D minor chord. All right, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... All right. And then with the pointing finger, I'm doing on the C string 2, open, and on the offbeat, we go to B flat, up, down, and then on C, again on the offbeat, up, down, D minor on the offbeat again, all right? So it's syncopated. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... But the second time the C is not syncopated. This is a little detail that even Eric Clapton is not doing every time the same, but I think it sounds pretty neat. So let's go slowly together through it. 1 and 2 and 3. So this is the main part, and also after the third verse, I think, we just keep repeating this part until it fades out and the song ends. The whole solo is on top of this part, all right? But before that, in the intro and in the choruses, on the fourth time that we're repeating this, we're actually playing a little variation that leads us to the verse. It goes like this. A to C. And we grab the C sharp minor, which is the first chord of the verse. So we start with C sharp minor. What are you gonna do when you get lonely? To G sharp 7. And then again C sharp minor. And here we have very quickly C to D. I'm just grabbing the C with the pinky and then sliding it to the 5th fret and barring on the 2nd fret. And then grabbing the chord of E. But I'm grabbing it like this, avoiding the A string, even muting it a little bit. Okay? And after that, E7. And the second part of the verse goes like this: F sharp minor, to B, to E, to A. And we're repeating this 2 times. Tell me all my love's in vain, Layla, which leads us to the main part. But before that, let me explain to you what is the strumming that I'm doing on the verse part. It goes something like down, up, chuck, up, chuck, up. All right? What are you gonna do when you get lonely? And no one. But where there are quicker chords, I'm just doing 2 down strums. All right? 1 down strum on each, actually. Like a fool, I fell in love with you. And on the last day, I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, a little bit quicker to build up the tension and go to the chorus after that. So let's hear how it sounds with the right tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you gonna do when you get lonely? And no one's waiting by your side. Please don't say you never find a way. Don't tell me all my love's in vain, Layla. You got me on my knees, Layla. I'm begging, darling, please, Layla. Darling, won't you ease my worried mind? Well, I think that the main part is actually the most challenging because it requires a lot of coordination between the 2 of your hands. And I would suggest you to just play it slowly at first and little by little speed up the tempo. You can do this from the link in the description. So there will be the interactive tabs where you can slow down the tempo, look at the tabs in front of you and do it with it. On the right tempo that you need. So I would suggest you to get it from the link in the description, also that way you're supporting the channel. And I think that this sums up my tutorial for Layla by Eric Clapton. Again, let me know in the comments below if you would like to see the second ukulele. If you have a friend that you're playing together, one of you can keep the rhythm and the other one can do the solos and the little elements. So if you want to see me do this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.